Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make magazine transfers. I don't know if you know or you've heard about it, but when I saw it I thought it was brilliant. So using packing tape, or if you don't have packing tape, I think you can use your sticky tape anyway. It's just that this is a bit wider, whereas sticky tape is quite thin. So we have got this lying around because we've been moving, and we've got this. So as you can see, this is a transfer from a magazine, and so is this. So I'm going to just show you. It's actually really easy. What you need to do is so I've got some water here, and only just a little bit of water. It doesn't have to be, it's quite, it's not very deep, as you can see. What I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm just going to show you how to, so say I wanted that part. So I'm going to actually tape that part. I'm just going to stop it and then restart it because it's very noisy. So I've just got a piece of tape and I'm just going to place that on here. And I'm going to do a couple more. So I've cut a few out. I've taped that one, and they only like a partial part of a picture. You don't have to do the whole picture. And that one, I'm just going to go ahead here now and just trim that because I just wanted that part. And I'm going to soak this in water now for a few minutes. So just soak it in water for a few minutes. Maybe about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, I think that's been about 2 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and just rub the paper off the back. And it should just come off like that. And I don't know if you can see that. I'm just going to put it on here, the towel, and let it dry. I'm going to do the rest and show it to you. So I just wanted to show you this one, which I have done the back. And it looks like this. So maybe it's better if I actually put it on a white surface. So I'll just do the rest. So I'm just drying them on the towel for a few minutes, and then it should be ready to use. Alright, I don't know if you can see that now. It's dry, and see how this one has quite a, like, not all of the, and I like that because it gives an aged kind of look. It's not perfect. This one you can see better. Can you see how there's parts of it missing, and it's very textured, and that's what I like about it. And when you put it on some of the ones which are translucent, when you put it on words, for example, like maybe not that one, but like these ones, you know, you can, because they're translucent, you can see the words underneath. They look, especially when they are dark and black underneath, they look awesome. So this is a brilliant way to add extra texture, and see, like this, it's got a crease in it, and it adds texture, I think, to the to your journal, and you can put things over it or put on something, and it just creates again a beautiful interest. So hopefully that's helpful. Take care, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.